Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will dive into one of the most common issues encountered by developers and database administrators when working with SQL. We'll be exploring error code 1064 and its various causes, as well as providing step-by-step solutions to resolve this error. So, let's get started. Now, let's discuss the solution to the error we encountered in the SQL query. The problem lies in the way we specified the column names in the insert statement. Instead of using quotation marks, we should directly specify the column names without any quotes. By removing the quotes around the column names, the query will be syntactically correct and the values can be successfully inserted into the user's table. Now, the error in these SQL queries occurs due to the absence of a semicolon at the end of each statement. In SQL, semicolons are used to separate multiple statements within a batch or to mark the end of a single statement. Without the semicolon, the database engine interprets the subsequent statement as a continuation of the previous one, resulting in a syntax error. To resolve this issue, it is essential to ensure that each SQL statement is properly terminated with a semicolon. The error in the SQL query select from users is caused by a typographical mistake. The correct keyword to use in SQL for selecting data is select, not select. The error in the SQL query is caused by an incorrect syntax. The problem lies in the closing parentheses and semicolon placement. In the values clause, each value should be enclosed within single quotation marks, but the semicolon should not be included within the quotation marks. To fix the error, remove the semicolon from within the quotation marks and place it outside the closing parenthesis. The error in the SQL query is caused by using a reserved keyword, order, as the table name. Order is a reserved keyword in many database management systems and cannot be used as a table name without causing a syntax error. By enclosing the table name order within backticks, we can indicate to the database that it should be treated as a literal identifier rather than a reserved keyword. This allows the create table statement to execute successfully, and the table order will be created with the specified columns. Using backticks to handle reserved keywords is a good practice to avoid conflicts and syntax errors in SQL queries. The error in the SQL query is caused by not enclosing the value John within single quotation marks. To fix this error, you need to ensure that string values are enclosed within single quotation marks. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to identify and fix error code 1064 in SQL. Syntax errors can be challenging, but armed with the knowledge gained in this video, you'll be able to troubleshoot and resolve them effectively. Remember to double-check your syntax, keywords, quotation marks, parentheses, and table/column names to avoid encountering this error in the future.